froze. Then a voice came through the TV speakers. But it wasn't the usual robotic alert voice. It sounded human, panicked, begging. He kept repeating, "If you're hearing this, stay away from the windows." My heart was pounding. I walked toward the blinds anyway, just to peek. But before I could lift them, the alert changed. "They know you can see them. Do not move." The voice wasn't panicked anymore. It was whispering, calm, almost excited. Then everything turned off at once. The whole house went silent. And in that silence, I heard something breathing on the other side of the glass.